Program a Totalizer, or TOT function block, in the Studio 5000 Logix Designer software. Open the batch process mixer from the controller organizer. There are two pre-existing sheets. To start programming, create a third sheet and name it Total. Add a TOT function block element on the sheet. Program the instructions such that the totalizing stops when ingredient A fills the tank up to 12,000 gallons. Totalize the periodic time, but do not register flow less than 1 gallon per second. Add an input reference and name it ingred A flow. Connect it to the input pin of the TOT instruction. Program an input wire connector to name toTotalizer to enable prog request and prog start request when the D2SD output on sheet 1 is enabled. Then on sheet 1, connect an output wire reference named toTotalizer so that the output of the D2SD instruction is the input to the TOT instruction for blocking the request modes. On sheet 3, add an output reference named ingred A flowing that indicates ingredient A is flowing and connect it to the run-stop pin of the TOT instruction. Also, add another output reference named ingredient A done that indicates the ingredient A is done flowing and connect it to the target flag pin of the TOT instruction. Connect the target flag pin to the prog stop request pin of the TOT instruction. Assign another input reference named close A valve and connect it to the prog reset request pin. This indicates the closure of valve A so that it can reset the totalizing of ingredient A. Now verify and download the project. Go online and place the controller in REM run mode. From the View tab, open the Watch window. In the project sheet Total, verify that ingred A flow is set a low non-zero value, such as 10. Once that is done, enable the Start ingred A input and verify that the totalizer has started totalizing. Now go offline and open the 3-state device control sheet. Add an instruction to totalize the flow of ingredient B into the tank. Program the instruction such that the totalizing stops when ingredient A fills the tank up to 20,000 gallons. Totalize the periodic time, but do not register flow less than 1 gallon per second. Create an input reference, ingred B flow, and connect it to the analog signal input of the TOT instruction. Add input references to enable prog request and prog start request when ingredient A is finished flowing, and reset the totalizer when ingredient B's minimum flow is done. Once this is done, configure the instruction to stop totalizing when the target is reached. Now verify and download the project. Go online and place the controller in REM run mode. Now start the project and verify on sheet 2 that ingred A flow and ingred B flow are set to low non-zero values through the Watch window. Go to sheet 3 and enable Start ingred A through the Watch window. Verify that the totalizer has started totalizing. When ingred A reaches 12,000 gallons, ingred B should begin totalizing. Ensure that the totalizer stops totalizing after 20,000 gallons. When the totalizer stops, enable Start Min Flow through the Watch window. When the Min Flow Done tag is enabled, verify that the totalizer is reset. You have now seen how to program a totalizer function block in a Studio 5000 Logix Designer project.